Hi guys, how are you doing? I hope you guys are doing great. So in today's video, I'm going to try on this beautiful wig, and if you find this video entertaining or interesting, make sure you give it a thumbs up, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. So guys, I've actually introduced this wig to you before, almost the same wig but just different colors. For the previous one it was color 30 and this one is color 900. The highlights is color 900. The previous one was 30, and then also have it in plain black. So guys, if you want to order this wig, kindly I'll leave the details in the description box down below or on the comment section. Just check the comment that is pinned on this video, and those are the details on how to order. If you want me to cut the lace for you, kindly let me know, or just leave me a note when you're ordering it, especially if you order it from the website. And then if it's on WhatsApp, you can just tell me if you want me to cut the net for you or not, if you want it to come with the net. So I'm going to cut the net and then try it on just for you to see how it looks, or just to have an idea on how it looks when I cut the net. And then another thing guys, always remember to apply a concealer or foundation on the net, inside the net, to make it look more natural or to blend with your skin. And that is just for this style that I've used 360 lace net or a net. You have to apply concealer just to make it blend well with your complexion, but for other wigs that I don't use this cap, you really don't have to apply concealer or foundation on it. You just wear it without applying any products and it will still look natural. And then I always advise to apply inside before trying the wig on. It kind of makes it look more natural, and then the concealer won't show on top than applying it like this, the way I'm doing right now. But I just want to show you, like, just to have an idea on how it would look when you apply concealer or a foundation on the net. As you can see, it blends with my skin tone so that no one can tell it's a wig. Okay, so just always apply. I always prefer if you apply inside than to wear it first and then apply the foundation on top. I advise you to apply the foundation inside before you wear it. So guys, just comment down below if you love it, if you love this style. And then of course right now it's kind of whitish because I haven't applied the foundation on it, but if you just apply it, if you just apply concealer on the net, it's going to look natural. It won't be whitish, like you won't notice the net. So that was it for today guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. So make sure you give this video a thumbs up, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. See you in my next video. Bye.